What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while. So today we are going to do some PPF on my brother's new bike. It's Yamaha FZ-07, I guess. I don't actually know. I'm not, if you know me, I'm not super knowledgeable about bikes. I wish I was, and I will be one day. But as of right now, I'm just gonna do some PPF on it. I think the bike looks cool. Comment down below what you guys think of the bike. We'll just slap some paint protection film on there. So pretty much, we're not doing a whole lot. There's not a whole lot that needs to be done on here. We're gonna do these guys here, and then gonna do the headlight. We are eventually gonna do around the headlight too, and the forks, but we wanna do that with matte PPF, and I don't have it here now. So we're gonna use the PPF I have on the bottom here of my vinyl rack. We do also have some black PPF, which I need to test out yet. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut some bulk clear PPF and get it kind of rough cut out, and then just bulk it and cut it. It'll work great, hopefully. All right, so I have already off camera wiped this down with ISO. I've got a piece of PPF here, a bulk piece, so it's okay to go bigger. Take my soap mixture, my slip solution, and I'm just gonna spray it and then kind of just squeegee it off. It's just like a last minute clean. Actually. Okay, so as you can tell, it kind of just lays over top. So, go and wet the outside a little bit here. Here, I'm going to make it a release cut. Let's go all the way through. I'm going to take my tack solution, so I want to tack it down here. I love this squeegee. This squeegee just curves around whatever it is you need it to curve around pretty much. So what I did there is I just scored the film. Did not cut all the way through it, just scoring the film. Film here, just so it will lay it down easier. I'm going to take my tack solution again. Don't even stick my brakes. Nicely tacked into that corner. And I actually want to do the same thing here, so I can have a little clearer cut. Here, what I'm going to do for this area right here how to kind of pull it back a little bit. Get my tack solution in there. I'm going to fold this part, and then I can come in with my squeegee. Same idea over here. Alright, now that I've got that done, just need some post heat. Make sure all the edges will stay down, which I'm sure they will. Trim this guy out. Maybe I can even just make a little hole and push it in. It would be super clean, but we'll see what I can do there. Yeah, that's the sound you want to hear. Alright, well there we go. So headlight is done. And these guys down here are done. Well guys, what do you think? Let me know. Did I do a decent job? If not, also let me know. What do you guys think of this bike? It's a cool bike. I love the green. I think the green accents with the wheel and then, or the wheels and then that stripe down there. Pretty sick. Pretty cool looking bike. I need to get myself one. Anyways guys, that's all I've got for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed. The next video you guys will have will be rad. Pretty expensive car we're working on. Starting tomorrow. When this video drops, that's when I'm starting to work on that car. And the car is probably worth about as much as my house. So I'll let you guys take some guesses in the comments of this video. What car am I working on next? See you guys in the next video.